Do you know the story of Maggie Lena Walker, the first African-American woman in the United States to found and lead a bank? Follow if you've never heard this story, because at the height of Jim Crow segregation, when Black Americans were shut out of the financial system, one Black woman decided her community would build its own bank, a system built to exclude. The year was 1903. Across the South, Jim Crow laws controlled nearly every part of Black life. Black citizens were denied voting rights, denied equal schools, denied business loans. Most white banks refused to serve Black customers. Even successful Black workers and entrepreneurs had nowhere safe to save money, no access to credit, no path to building wealth. The financial system wasn't just unequal, it was designed to lock Black Americans out. A woman with a different plan. But in Richmond, Virginia, Maggie Lena Walker had a different vision. Born in 1864, just after the Civil War, she had grown up watching Black families struggle to survive in a hostile system. She was a teacher, an organizer, and a leader in the Independent Order of St. Luke, a Black mutual aid society helping African Americans support each other when the system refused to. Walker believed something radical for the time. If the doors to wealth were closed, Black communities could build their own doors. Building a bank in Jim Crow America. So in 1903, Maggie Lena Walker founded the St. Luke Penny Savings Bank. And she didn't just start the bank, she became its president, making her the first Black woman bank president in the United States. Think about the irony. At a time when many women, especially Black women, weren't even allowed basic economic independence, Maggie Lena Walker was running a bank. Economic power as resistance. Her mission was simple but revolutionary. Encourage Black families to save money, provide loans to Black businesses, help Black families buy homes, and keep Black wealth circulating inside the community. Under her leadership, the bank helped finance Black entrepreneurs, property ownership, and economic stability in Richmond. It became a powerful symbol of economic self-determination, a legacy of resilience. Maggie Lena Walker led the bank for decades, and in 1930, the St. Luke Penny Savings Bank merged with other Black banks to form the Consolidated Bank and Trust Company, one of the longest operating Black-owned banks in America. Her legacy proved something powerful. Even in the face of segregation, discrimination, and systemic exclusion, Black communities were building institutions, wealth, and opportunity. Not because the system allowed it, but because they refused to wait for permission. Subscribe and comment Maggie Walker if you want more hidden stories of Black pioneers who built power during Jim Crow. We don't glorify injustice. We reveal truth, so history can't repeat itself.